This week at Ideal Construction, we started a new project over in Chiltern. The dig turned out to be an absolute nightmare. It's a bit of a nightmare footing this, as you can see. We're digging through an old builder's waste. Tony also helps us learn the importance of steel toe cap boots.
Whoa. Oh shit.
And we started all the first fix joinery over in Prestwich, and Andy stole the show. You are special, you. You are special. He is special. So stay tuned for episode 4. Monday morning, it's a bit of a wet one today. I'm heading over to Chiltern to start the footings. The machine should be arriving within the next 30 minutes. And we're going to get the footings dug out, which the lads started last week, taking the old outbuilding down so we can dig out the footings today.
Get that wooden floor out first then, and then we can fill back up on that side, can't we?
Yeah, get the wooden floor out now, right? Then we'll get this out. I'm gonna Morgan to cut this gas out, get this back, then we'll just rip this floor out. We've took the old existing floor out, which you've seen in last week's video, and they've got an old floor that was sank down probably from when someone else built the extension years ago. And now we're trying to, basically got a shit dig trying to get through the brick and the footing to dig our leg of the footing out. So we're probably going to have to go to about 1.2, 1.3 I think before we hit sand. So it is going to be absolutely a bit of a shit morning, but we'll get through it. A bit of a nightmare footing this, as you can see. We're digging through an old builder's waste, bricks, stone, viscreen, concrete. We're at 1.4 deep and it's just absolutely crap. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and take out where the builder's not been in the old existing building is. I'm gonna try and take out the leg there to see if it can hit sand, see what the ground's like. If not, I'm just gonna tell him I think it's get the building inspector out and suggest it might need piling. So it's Tuesday morning today, we're back over in Chiltern. Yesterday was an absolute nightmare. We were ripping out an old extension that a previous builder had built, and he actually made it bomb-proof basically. We're coming around the side now on the second leg, and we've hit sand and it's going quite smooth. Right, so that's me done on this foot, and I'm going to go over to Eccles now to help the lads with his steel. Luke and John are going to finish this last little bit of a leg here. We're going to have a good clean up of the site, a jet wash of the roads and path, and there's just a bit of the legs fell in on the back there that they're going to have to hand dig out as well. I've just been waiting Tony over in Eccles, and we're just putting a steel in position so they can do this knock through for the open plan kitchen.
Oh shit!
Slide it on that column.
Yeah, lift it up, lift it up, lift it up. It's on his foot.
No, he's going to steal it on his foot.
Nice. Lift it up.
Look, get it. Get on camera.
Come on, just get off your foot.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go, come here.
Why are you making noises? Why are you making noises?
Come here.
So, there's a steel column going on the left-hand side where Tony is at the moment, and there's a steel column going on the right-hand side there, which is going to be taking the weight to support this steel beam bolted together. We've got a further steel, which is outside there, that's going straight in to take the weight to support the floor, the existing floor, so this whole area is going to be open plan. So that's it, the demo's done. We've got a steel going in a minute, where you can see those two steels left to right of the window. There's a steel going right across, and then we're going to have a plate welded and fabricated into this one beam, so it's just one steel. There's going to be, we're putting in the ceiling, there's going to be a floor going in here shortly. Gary, if I give you, me and Lee give you some measurements tonight, do I bring some MDF and a bit of pine and get yourself a stair string and knock us a little stair up, and I'll pick it up tomorrow from whatever job you're on?
It's my wedding anniversary tonight, so I'm going straight home and out.
Oh, I don't mean tonight, I mean tomorrow morning. If you bring some of the gear that's in the workshop out in the morning, put it in the van and make it at work.
I think I've only got
Specs! Hold on, Gary. Specs! I can't hear him on the phone. Oh my God. What a knob. Hey, Gary. So if I bring some gear out, can you? Yeah,
I don't know if I've got enough in there, you know.
Well, just get Mike to nip off and grab a stair string and some bits you need. All it is one step.
Right, yeah. Yeah, it's not a problem. So just give me the height, and if you give me the height of what I've got to work to, I can do the rest.
Right, we'll send you, get Lee to measure it all up and sketch it up for you and send it you, and you can just knock it up tomorrow at some point. If you give us a call, we'll pick it up and we can fit it tomorrow then at the end of the day or something. Bye.
I'll see you.
Bye. You are special, you. You are special. He is special. So that's us done for today. We've got all the demo done. We've started building out the steels with timber. We've got the steel going in over underneath the wall plate, which is taking this steel as well, which is going to be welded in the morning, and the same on the opposite side. And we're going to get all the stud work done, all the ceilings in tomorrow. We've got the flooring today, when we should be off here by dinner time tomorrow. So we had a bit of a slow morning waiting for the welder this morning. He's welded both pieces of steel either end. He's welded a joint in the middle. We're building out the steels now. As you can see, Lee's setting up the ceiling. He has strung his line across blades are. We're gonna get all the ceiling in and get all the studs in. And then we'll get this little square box built and then build everything around it. So that's us done for today. I'm recording myself because the cameraman's gone. So all we've got on this to finish, we've got about an hour left in the morning. So we've got noggins to put in and 2 studs to put in. We're just short on timber, so we're going to fly over in the morning, get that done. Then we're going to get over to Cholton and tile our roof. Hate camera recording myself. So that's it for this week's episode. If you like what you see, you know where the like button is, you know where the subscribe button is. Follow us for future content.